Hey, quiet day. Global markets, August lulls on volume, but price action very good. Never short a quiet market. China up 53 bips last night. Shanghai A shares continue to be a reason for optimism. The Sensex up 80 bips and at 18,280. You've, I think, successfully navigated this resistance level. So watch that, maybe even for additional breakout. The backdrop remains very positive in Asia, and you had releases from a number of the tech and the microchip processors in China today. LCD, Shimei, and Alex reported fantastic earnings, and the overall export numbers out of Taiwan are up close to 40% year over year. So booming Asian economies. Some announcements on Singapore's economy. GDP expected to grow somewhere north of 17%, which is extraordinary. Certainly indicates how far things had fallen, but the story throughout the region remains extremely strong. As we look into Eastern and Central Europe, Russia's having a big day as oil prices have now recovered after being down. Russia up about 1.6%. Oil prices are up a little under 1%, but I built a very strong base here. Holding above 81 for Russia is a crucial level for the bull argument, not necessarily crucial for the budget, not necessarily crucial for the markets, but if you want to remain on the bandwagon here, I'd say keeping that level is very important. Turkey also getting a lot of press this morning. Turkey and Indonesia continue to be a place where on the debt side you're seeing both debt levels come down to historical lows on CDS and a overweight position happening across the board based upon the kind of the domestic insular growth story you get there, not as reliant as some of their regional neighbors for global economies. So watching continued outperformance there as we expect to open up slightly higher in Brazil and Latin America. I think some similar themes in that looks like Chinese steel momentum is better. You've got iron ore prices, domestic spot prices also stronger. So you've got a backdrop for continued good environment for outperformance here. I'd say the headline macro stuff is relatively light for the next couple of days. You've got China on Wednesday, a number of big data releases in the U.S. Germany this morning, and their exports rose 3.8% month over month, much higher than expected. So continue with the trend, which is Europe's going to surprise you, U.S. will probably disappoint you, and China is your wild card. Thanks.